For more videos, visit student-dentist.com. Hey guys, today I'm going to go ahead and give you a brief introduction to dental anatomy and kind of explain some key terms that you'll want to know for dental school, your tests, and the boards. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to first off start by defining the term dentition. So dentition. The term dentition refers to all the teeth in the mouth. So all teeth in the mouth. Okay, and humans have two different types of dentition throughout their life. So there's a primary dentition and then the permanent dentition. Okay, so there are key differences between the primary and permanent dentition, and I'll be explaining all that stuff later in other videos. So just kind of wanted to give you a brief introduction. Dentition refers to all teeth in the mouth, and you have two different types of primary and permanent dentition. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and kind of explain to you the different ways that dentists kind of categorize teeth by location. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, this red line right here, I've drawn this red line down the middle. Now I can separate the mouth into top and bottom halves. So the top half, if you draw this imaginary line, is the teeth in the top half are referred to as the maxillary. So maxillary, and the teeth in the bottom are referred to as mandibular teeth. Okay, now we can take this a step further and draw a midline, okay, down the center of the mouth, okay, just like that. So think midline, okay, where you're virtually splitting the mouth into right and left halves. So right and left halves. And it's very important to note that when questions in dental school or on the boards or anything that are asked, they're referring, when they ask a right or left, they're referring to the patient's right or left. Okay, so they're not really referring to your right or left, so don't get that confused. It's very important. Okay, so as you can tell, we've split up the mouth into 4 different quadrants, and so this would be the upper right or maxillary right quadrant, and so this would be the upper left quadrant or the maxillary left quadrant. This would be the lower left quadrant or the lower mandibular quadrant, and so on. So that is very important for you to know. Okay. Alright, so in other videos I'm going to go ahead and explain the primary dentition, so stay tuned and refer to other videos for greater detail as far as primary dentition goes. Hope you enjoyed.